सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू योर केमिस्ट्री। In previous video we have discussed about the isomerism and the types of isomerism, and further we have discussed about the types of structural isomerism. There are two types of the isomerism, one of the structural and another is your stereo. If we go with the structural isomerism, then we have discussed a lot of types about the just first chain isomerism, second is your position isomerism, third is your function group isomerism or functional isomerism. These were the three topics. Today we will go with the just fourth important type of the isomerism, that is the ring chain isomerism. This is the chain, position, function group, and fourth is your ring chain isomerism. Ring chain isomerism. What is the basic thing? Just isomerism, then due to presence of isomerism, having two or more compounds having same molecular formula, but open chain changes in ring called as ring chain isomers, and phenomenon is called as ring chain isomerism. Ring chain isomerism. If we'll go with the just example, then first of all we'll take the example as you can take first. This is the CS3 CH double bond CS2. This is the propene, or you can call it propanene. If you will go with the just ring of this compound, then you can take the cyclopropane. This is the cyclopropane as an isomer. If we'll go with the formula, then common formula is your C3 and this is the H6. So we can say both are the ring chain isomer for each other. We can take another example also. This is the CS3 CS2 CH double bond CS2. This is the but1ene. Regarding to it, we can take just this is the CS2. This is the CS2, CS2 and CS2. This is called as cyclobutane. Here is the common formula as 4 carbon. Then this is the C4. This is the 3N25 and 38H8 as a alkene and cyclobutane. If we'll go with the further, then we can take the example of third. Regarding to your alkyne, this is the C triple bond CH. Then regarding to alkyne, ring chain isomer will be as follows. This is the CH and this is the double bond. Number of carbon atom is 3. Hydrogen is 3n14. Here is a 2n24. This is called as propyne, while it is called as cyclopropene. So what we can say that alkyne shows with the cycloalkene as a ring chain isomer. As a common formula is your C3H4. If we'll go with the fourth, then we can take the example of butane. Now butane will show the ring chain isomer with the cyclobutene. This is the CH double bond CH, CH2. Here is the number of carbon atom is your 4, hydrogen atom is your 6, 2 to 4 and 6. This is called as but 1-ine, and this is called as cyclobutene. These are about the just your ring chain isomerism. If we'll go with the just another example, then we can take just your unsaturated alcohol like this, CH, this is the CS2OH. Unsaturated alcohol shows just a ring chain isomerism with the cyclic ether. So this is the CS2, CS2, this is the O, and this is your CS2. Number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3. Hydrogen is your 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, and 1, 6, and O. So this is the unsaturated alcohol as a allylic alcohol. As a allylic alcohol, 1 degree allylic alcohol, and this is called as just trimethylene oxide. Trimethylene oxide will be as a ring chain isomer of the allylic alcohol, or you can say prop 2-ene. This is the prop 1, 2, 2-enol. So this was about the just your ring chain isomerism. Now the time to discuss about the fifth type of the isomerism as a metamerism or mesomerism. Fifth type. This is the fifth type as a metamerism. This is the metamerism. What we can say that two or more compounds having same molecular formula, but it will be also formula and same function group, same functional group, but different substituents attached to just you can say functional group are called as just metamers or mesomers and phenomenon called as metamerism or mesomerism. If we'll go with the further, then this is the basic property of this isomerism. This isomerism is basic property of bivalent and trivalent functional group, पर्टिकुलर जिनकी वैलेंसी 2 हो और 3 हो वो इस प्रॉपर्टी को ज़्यादा शो करते हैं. If I'll go with the example, then we can take the example. As an example, we can take just your ether, add just two valency like this. Thioether, this is the thioether, add just again two valency like this. Ketone as a again two valency like this. Thioketone, thioketone as a C double bond S. As you can say, your 2-degree amine. This is the 2-degree amine. As you can say, NH and 3-degree amine and 3-degree amine. This is the trivalent function group, etc. If I'll go with the example, then first of all I'll go with the ether first example. Regarding to ether, we can take following example. This is the CS3O, CS2, CS2, CS3. Now the change the substituent. This is the CS3, CS2. This is the CS3. O, change of N chain in iso chain. So this will be changed in substituent. Now exchange of one of the CS2. This is the OCS2, CS3. Both exist same molecular formula with the same function group as a C4. This is your H10O. If I go with the name, then it can be specified. This is called as methoxypropane. This is called as methoxypropane. This is called as 2-methoxypropane. 2-methoxypropane. This is called as ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane as a just isomers, as you can say, just metamers. If I'll go with the next, then we can take the example of as a ketones. As a ketones, we can take first example CS3CO. This is the CS2, CS2 and CS3. CS3. Next, we can take just CS3CO. This iso N chain can be changed in iso like this. This is the CS3. Next is your exchange of one of the CS2, then it can be as follows: CS2CO. This is the CS2 and CS3. If I go with the first compound, then it is called as pentane 2-on. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pentane 2-on. This is called as just 1, 2, 3, 4, 3-methyl butane 2-on. Butane 2-on. And this is called as pentane 3-on. You can see here's the substituent methyl and N-propyl. Here's the methyl and isopropyl. This is the both are ethyl. So this was regarding to your ketones. Now we'll take just example of just 2-degree amine and 3-degree amine also. It will be same for the thioether because of here will be S only, and it will be same for the thioketone. Here will be just S only over the just O. So we'll take the example of 2-degree and 3-degree amine. See the matter. Now the time to discuss about the metamerism regarding to your, this is the 2-degree amine and 3-degree amine. So see the actual formulae or about the compound. Third example we can take regarding to 2 degree amine as a CS3. This is the NH, CS2, CS2 and CS3. This chain can be changed in again ISO as we have discussed in these compound. Another exchange of CS2 like this. So we will say these are known as metamers for each other or mesomers for each other with the common formula 1, 2, 3, 4, hydrogen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, H11N. It is called as you can say N-methyl propane amine. This is called as N-methyl propane 2 amine. This is called as N-ethyl ethane amine. Regarding to your just C4H11N. Now I would like to go with the next example as a 3 degree amine. Fourth example. This is the regarding to 3 degree amine. So suppose this is the CS3. This is the NCS3. This is the CS2, CS2 and CS3. Just it will be changed in the chain also. This is the N CS3. This N chain can be changed in iso chain like this. And exchange of again one of the CS2 over any CS3. So it may be as follows CS2 and CS3. This is the CS2 and CS3. If I'll go with the formula, then formula is your, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C5, H3, 3, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 13, as 13 and this is the N. If I go with the name of the compound, then this is called as NN dimethyl. This is the NN dimethyl propane 1 amine or you can say propanamine. This is your NN dimethyl propane 2 amine. This is called as N-ethyl ethane amine. So these are the metamers for the C5H13N. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic as a tautomerism and deeply regarding the competition exam. It will be a lot of matter in this kind of the isomerism. Till then, shukriya, dhanyawad. Just keep trust in me and my channel. Definitely, I'll give you a maximum regarding to your chemistry and just share it with the other people also who are just away from us. They can connect with us without paying any money because of I'm ready to give you a lot of matter regarding to not only 11th and 12th but also NEET and IIT. Till then, shukriya, dhanyawad.